There are many hidden gems in Belize, and this is one of them. The Taste of Home Village Bakery, suggested to us by our friend Dally at Hickety Cottages. This was remarkable flavors, and Kenisha, the baker, was incredible. So let's go for a visit. I hate to say it, I ate it all off camera. So there's no big grins or me combing crumbs out of my beard, but you will have to take our word for it. It was great food. Sorry for the trucks, but they're pretty close to the road. Let's go have a closer look.
All such tasty treats. They saved us 2 of their marvelous cinnamon buns yesterday, and I can honestly say they were the best cinnamon buns I've had ever. And this is where the magic happens. Right here in this little bakery. The best flavors I've ever had. So tasty. Come to PG. Come here, have the best cooking and baking there is. And this is where you get your coffee. A little hole in the wall. Sugar, milk. So cool. And there on the inside is the little coffee urn. Now you can't see the coffee urn because they put the little leaf painting in front of it. What a great way to hide things.
Hello, good morning. Today we have carrot cake with cream cheese on top, and we have walnuts and nuts on them. The one at the top is chocolate chip muffins with mint chocolate chip in it. These ones are banana cake. Then you go here, it's 1 slice of cassava cake left because this morning it was quite busy and we already sold out.
Well, that's good.
Then we have 2 slices of pizza. We made about 3 whole one this morning, and it's already sold as well too. At the top in the napkins we have Johnny cake with beans, cheese and ham inside. And the other one is a coconut loaf bread. It's a whole loaf. And then we have the single ones, which is the coconut bun that is a little sweeter and has raisin in it, and the regular coconut bread that you can make sandwich and you could put egg or hams in it. Then we do a variety of other different stuff, but not today.
Not today.
On the other days, so we open from Monday to Friday. From about 4 o'clock, we get up in the morning and we start.
Wow.
Till about, we're sold out sometimes about 3, 4 o'clock. And then we have sometimes some catering and other stuff as well.
So once the shelves are empty, that's it.
Yeah,
you get to go home for the day.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. Your food is excellent. I can honestly say they are the best cinnamon buns I've ever tasted, and I taste a lot.
Thank you very much.
So thank you.
And sadly, we made today, but it's already on others.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah.
We got it yesterday, so that's good enough.
Okay.
And that last piece of cassava cake, oh, that was so tasty. They also carry some natural fruit juices that were just to die for on a hot day. Thank you very much, Kenisha. We'll be back the next trip down. To all of our subscribers and viewers, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.